Hi, I'm Adrian from the Imagination Station, and today we're going to talk about animation. Since about 1908, people discovered that you could take a still picture and if you showed it at about 4 to 5 frames a second, you could fool the mind into thinking that it was moving. Today, animators spend up to 6 months doing a 30-minute animation and run at about 60 frames per second. Today, we're not going to run at 60 frames per second. We'll run at 4 or 5 frames a second. So the first thing that you're going to need is something to draw your picture on, and anything will do. Some paper, index cards, Post-it notes, just about anything, as long as the pages are all about the same size. The next thing you're going to need is something to draw with. A pencil, a pen, a crayon, markers, anything will do. The next thing that's useful is a light table, such as this. And if you don't have a light table, something as simple as a Tupperware over a cell phone makes just as good a light table. The actual process is very simple. First, you need to think of a story, and it can be something very simple. For instance, I have a ball on a hill, and it's going to roll down to the bottom of the hill. But this is the beginning and this is the end. How did the ball get to the end? Well, we need to make an animation to show the ball rolling down the hill. So we begin with the first drawing. And I have a hill, which never moves, and a ball, which is going to roll down it. So for the next frame, I would layer the second frame over the first frame and trace the hill so that it remains in the same place while moving the ball slightly. I repeat this process each time, tracing the hill to keep it in the same place and moving the ball a little further down the hill. Each time, the smaller the movement, the more fluid the movement will look like on the finished animation. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our webpage at imaginationstationtoledo.org. Now, for your final step, once you've finished your drawing, all you have to do is bind one edge, and you can do that with a binder clip, a brass fastener, a paper clip, just about anything. And the good thing about Post-it notes, they're already bound. There is your completed flipbook animation. Thanks for watching.